Previously on Onboard Lifestyle, the crew removed the troublesome boot stripe that prepared Basic's wetted surface for anti-fouling. With the bottom paint project done, we were able to enjoy another Penasco taco stand with friends.
Thick and epoxy!
We have about a week left on the hard and a ton of projects still to do, so let's not waste any more time and get right into it.
No sleep, my veins run dry, I'm empty. I can't see, I'm blinded by this concrete. And I should call you, see what you've been up to. I've been wondering, how far did you go in 7 months? I bet you're happy and don't think that much about me. Here I am, not knowing how to move on without you.
So Emma and I are walking to the machinist because he's working on...
Our StarLink antenna mount.
Yes. Lynn was able to get a couple pieces of stainless yesterday. I bummed a piece of tubing from another cruiser, and it looks like we're going to be able to finally mount our antenna. So it's sitting on the deck now for 7 months, maybe 6-7 months since La Paz. It's been working fine. It's but it's nice to have it properly installed. This is kind of the first big town we've been to that's had, you know, a machine shop and supplies. So
It'll be nice to have a permanent spot for it.
oh, for sure. So that's what we're up to. Let's go see if our part's done. Sounds like they're winding down for the day. Look at that, right there. Here's our new bracket. It's perfect. We'll get it back to the boat and polish it up. But it looks good, guys. Thank you. Okay, look at this. I drew just this little quick sketch of what I wanted. They got everything exactly to my sketch. Looks perfect.
Yeah, it does.
So we'll get this back, polish it up, and get this mounted the next day or so. Okay, what do you say we go get some dinner on the way home?
Sounds great.
Hey, spatchcock chicken?
Yeah.
Okay.
The moment has happened, guys. Teal is finally installing our StarLink
antenna.
Well,
how long have we had it? 6 months?
we've had
7
it
months?
since May, but we left the day that we got it. So we've been on the move, and
This is the first chance I got some material. Just doing little starter holes there. And look, it's gonna cover up all this. Okay, I can explain. This antenna, I kind of love-hate with this placement of it. Because the antenna's gonna be right here, I'm gonna get a little shadowing on the panels. But it makes the most sense to get the wire and the cable down into the boat. So that's why it's going here. If it shadows this too much, I'll move it somewhere else. But for now, this is gonna be its home.
or we can get bigger panels.
Or both.
Yeah. Here is the antenna mount that we've been talking about. I sourced the
You found this
steel
plate here. A fellow cruiser gave me this chunk. They welded it
yesterday.
yeah, last night. Picked it up. It's not the best weld, but you know what?
Can't be picky.
No kidding. They did it in like 2 hours. Got it done for us. And we'll see how this thing goes.
Looks good.
Yeah.
I just want the StarLink antenna out and away instead of having it strung through my galley.
I know. The other thing is this plate was a little thick.
You asked for 1/4 inch.
Listen, I had to have it because we have to cantilever this out, so I needed some strength out here, just so the traveler could miss all this. But I guess the good news is this new bracket weighs the same as the old bracket that we're taking off, so
nice.
It's a wash.
It's a wash. You think it's gonna work?
Oh, it'll work. I just want it to look pretty.
Shocker.
There.
Just one.
That's all it needs.
Feels pretty solid though, right?
Yeah, it does. Going in blind. Okay, right there. It's gonna get tight.
I can feel it.
Okay, hold it right there. Oh, don't strip it.
I'm not gonna strip it.
Right there. Pretty, huh?
I did a good job.
Okay. Moment of truth.
What do you mean the moment of truth?
Well, I didn't measure this. I'm just assuming it's the right one. This is the same pipe that everybody else has been using. Oh yeah, it goes right in. Nice.
That's it? It doesn't seem like it looks like it's barely in.
There's a set screw on the back side that's going to hold it in. No, it's in. It goes in 2 inches.
I don't think that's enough.
What do you mean?
All
How
right.
can it go anywhere?
Okay.
Okay, you ready? Yeah. Okay, start pulling. Hang on, let me get it in here. Okay, right there. Keep going. Okay, it's going to be tight when it gets up there. So just kind of work it real slow. Get the
Can you pull it down for a second?
Gravity will pull it down.
No, it's not. The tight fit.
I know, right there. There it goes.
Score!
Okay.
Now it's a piece of cake. Okay, the hard part's done. Now it's just organizing this long wire.
Oh my gosh. This is like 100 feet. What the heck?
I think we'll just coil it up and plug it in.
Yeah?
Felt good to finally mount the StarLink antenna in its new home. No more worrying about knocking the antenna overboard or tripping on the loose cable that has been stuffed through the galley window. And as irony would have it, later that evening we witnessed SpaceX's StarLink mission number 65 launch a Falcon 9 rocket from Vandenberg Space Force Base in Southern California.
Taping day, painting day. You guys know I love painting, but this is nerve-wracking. Teal has tasked me to tape the bottom paint.
It's gotta be perfect.
It has to
Don't
be
mess
perfect.
up.
I know, this is so... Look, I already screwed it up. This is really delicate tape.
It's okay.
It's really good tape.
You'll make it really nice. Oh no, we're just in the beginning.
No, it's fine. It's just how I'm holding this left arm. It gets tiring. Like
Yeah.
this one's up all the time, but it's like a more comfortable position. You know?
Mm-hmm. Try. It's looking good.
This is so stressful.
Well, you got 1/4 done.
Thanks, Emma.
Oh yeah, you got this.
I think you should get this.
Okay.
Wow, this is hot.
Last one.
Until your dad comes out and changes it up.
Redoes all of it.
Yeah. All right.
It's looking pretty good.
We'll see.
Okay, I just checked the radar. Looks like there's a little rain coming at us potentially. Better let the girls know they're prepping everything downstairs. Hey, where you guys at? I don't know where they're at. Let's go find them. Where are you guys?
We're here. We're done.
Done?
For you.
Okay, there's rain coming.
No.
Sorry.
Serious?
I'm not quite sure. The radar's showing a little bit of rain coming right at us, so I guess we'll see how it pans out. But let's hold.
No way.
Let's just hold tight for about 20 minutes before we start painting.
I'll just put a big umbrella over our boat.
Okay, that'll work. How's it going down there?
Well, I thought I did pretty good. I was just ready to go up.
Okay, sorry. Let's just hold tight.
Okay, crisis is averted because that little rain system passed us by. So Teal is now going to be painting and obviously looking at anything that I've done wrong, possibly. I don't think so, but you know, you never know. Woo! First coat of paint.
Scratch coat's going down.
Looks good already. That means our days here are numbered, baby.
Yes, they are. I know you're counting it down, aren't you?
Heck yeah. We got so much to do, but we're tag teaming everything now. It's crunch time.
We're down to the point where we're just getting everything that's close to the water. Get that done. We can do everything else as we're floating. So it feels good to get some paint on the outside of this.
You know this side, right?
Well, yeah, look at this. This is where we got hit right here. This was all, remember that back in Mazatlan?
We arrive in Mazatlan and pull into the El Cid Marina, where, in less than an hour, are hit by another boat.
I'm just so sick to my stomach right now.
The port captain and harbor master track down the culprit and after a brief negotiation, shake hands on a token settlement. The crew decides to suck it up and make the repairs ourselves, so we rolled up our sleeves and got to work. The crew stayed focused and finished the hit-and-run damage to Basic in 6 days. With the repair done, we have just enough time for one more swim and prep for our departure.
Yep. You can't even tell though. It's only because we know that it happened, but you can't even tell with your repair.
I know. Well, that's because I'm a professional.
I think it was your assistant that made sure that the consistency of the thickened epoxy was perfect.
I have no doubt.
No, seriously though, it's amazing. And now we have fresh paint on it.
We only had one little coat of paint on we got out of there, so it feels good to kind of do this right and get some more paint on here.
No sleep, my veins run dry, I'm empty. I can't see, I'm blinded by this concrete. And I should call you, see what you've been up to. I've been wondering, how far did you go in 7 months? I bet you're happy and don't.
Thanks for watching this week's episode of Onboard Lifestyle. A special thanks goes out to our patrons whose support drives these videos. Join our crew if you can. Our haul out has been productive so far, but we have to make a big push these next few days to get everything done. Come back next week as we kick it into high gear. See you then!